Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, I will be explaining all about hydroelectricity working model. So hydroelectricity is nothing but the electricity is getting generated from wherever rivers are there. Against that rivers, we are going to build a dam there. Whenever the water is getting stored in the dam, when we release the water in one shot, what happens? Comes with a heavy flow of water happens, and that water we are going to send through water turbines. Whenever the water is going to pump onto these water turbines, these turbines will rotate. Whenever these turbines will rotate, what happens is electricity is getting generated. When the electricity is getting generated, what we do is we are going to transmit that electricity, whatever we are generated, via power transmission lines. If you can see right nearby our homes, big electrical poles will be there. Those are power transmission lines. And near to our homes, there are small poles they kept next to our houses, which is electrical poles. That via that electrical pole, so we will be receiving electricity to our home. So now we are going to demonstrate how this working model really works. We are going to switch on the water turbine. If you can see, right? As and when the water turbine rotates, the electricity is going to generate here. We are going to switch off, so electricity gone. Now we are going to again switch on. So this is how as and when these turbines will keep rotating, the electricity will be keep generating. That's how we should explain in any science exhibition project. If you guys really like this video, please click on like button as well as share with your friends so that they will also get the benefit out of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.